So if we go left to right, 4 minus 4 equals 0. Then we bring down the rest, and we get 0 times 4 minus 4. Then we have 0 times 4 equals 0. Bring it down, we get 0 minus 4. And 0 minus 4 gives us negative 4. That feels reasonable, right? This is exactly where order of operations matters. Multiplication comes before subtraction. Quick pause. What did you learn growing up? PEMDAS, BODMAS, or something else? Leave a comment down below and let me know. What we want to do is handle the multiplication first. So we really have 4 times 4 equals 16. Bring it down and we get 4 minus 16 minus 4. Now we do addition and subtraction from left to right. So we got 4 minus 16 equals negative 12. Bring down the negative 4. And we have negative 12 minus 4 equals negative 16. Alright, so the next step in your order of operations is a W. And W stands for watch the next video popping up right now. I'll see you there.